In this video we are reviewing a smartwatch. Yes, a smartwatch. And you might like some of the software that comes with it. So yeah, you might find it really interesting, you might not. Depends whether you like the smartwatch. One of the things I liked about this, it's supposed to have a really powerful ECG monitoring device built into it. Oh, I'm going to need a knife. Quick look around the box. So there's the watch, and there's some information on the back. Product name, blah blah blah. I'm not going to read that out. You can have a look right now while I get a knife. Yeah, apparently the measurement accuracy is plus or minus 2 on the beats per minute. And I don't know if that's good, bad or whatever, but that's what it says. Right, that is everything in the box. It looks like it comes with 2 different straps. So you have a metal strap and a plastic strap. Yes, I think I'll probably try the plastic one actually. Let's get the little baby out. So what's that, a stick on? Yeah, it's a stick on. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to assemble it first. I'm not sure which one. Cut the spare pins, which is really nice. No, I'm not sure about that one. I prefer this, I think, me personally. Right, that was quite easy to do. I didn't realise you had little clips there to help you put it on. Have you got the same on here? No, you have to slide the pins in for this baby. That's what's in the bag. Oh yeah, it has. Yeah, they have got them in there as well. I'm not going to take them out of the bag in case I lose them. So there's a little slider there to help you put it on, which is really good. So I'm going to move this one out of the way because it doesn't really suit me, this one. Is that magnetic? I think that one looked best. Let me know in the comments what you think, which one you liked. This one or this one. One of the reasons you might want to buy this is because, like I said earlier, it's got a powerful ECG monitoring device built into it. So it does plus or minus 2 on the beats per minute heart rate, yeah? Blah, blah, blah. And blood pressure, plus or minus 8 mmHg. I have no idea what that means. And by the way, I'm not a doctor, and by the way, you shouldn't use this as a professional device for checking your heart rate and your blood pressure. It's only a guideline. It's something to bear in mind. But there's a lot of features on this little baby, so I'm going to take this little cover off. So might have to charge it up. Haven't read the instructions yet. But looking around, it does look quite nice actually. So there's your blood pressure monitor device. Let's turn it on and see if it just starts up. Was it one press or got to roll the button in? Let's find out. We've got to take that off. Right, might want charging up. So we're going to figure out how I have to charge it up. And we're going to charge it up. Well, that's a little bit different. I wasn't expecting that. I was just having a quick read of the book to figure out how to charge it up. And it's this. It goes on there somehow. Like that, it's a magnet. So that is how you charge it up. That's really weird. Never seen anything like that before. You probably have, but I haven't. And so that is how you charge it up. So what I'm going to do, I can bring over my power bank, charge it up and see if it lights up. do it fast charge. In we go, see what happens. So it's plugged in, and oh, there it goes. That looks really nice, doesn't it? That is how you charge it up. So I'm going to run that for, an hour, maybe 2, and wait till it's fully charged and get back to you. It's all charged up, it's ready to go. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a quick look around the menu, and then we're going to connect this to this. So with that, let's get on with it. So basically holding the on off button for so many seconds till it vibrates. That's just vibrated, says hello, as you can see. Give it a few minutes for it to start up. There you go, English. So I'm going to leave it on English. I don't need to change the language. And the clock face, that's the first clock face. Has it got any others? I think there should be a few. Hold that down, see what happens. Yep, makes it smaller. So yeah, it's showing 5 dots there. So that's 1. Oh, I like that one. That's quite nice. 2. Don't like that one. 3, 4, 5. Is that any more? No, so there's 5. So I'm going to use that one. Press it once, makes it larger. So that's it. So that is easy enough to do. Nice and clear, by the way. Yeah, I like that. So it says it's got the wrong time on it and it's got the wrong date on it. But we need to set it up first. So that's why it's wrong. So scroll up. Right, messages. No more ups. Scroll down. Some settings there. So what you got? You have, would you like to enter into do not disturb mode? No, thank you. Battery. Is that battery there? Oh, power saving. No, don't want to do that neither. What's this? Style. Got smart style or list style. I'm going for list. Back again. What's this? Brightness. Adjust the brightness level. Looks okay to me. Looks fine to me. Language, display, vibration, menu style. We just done that. QR code. Yeah, we will need to do the QR code because it will download a bit of software onto my phone. Hopefully. Battery and systems. Have a quick look in the systems. So that's about it. So you need to find Smartwatch 476 on your phone, on your Bluetooth. We will do that in a minute, like I said. You can shut it down and or do a complete factory reset. Again, we're not going to do that. And that's it there. Let's go back. What's that? Oh, just the information again. We just done all that. So that is everything now. What's this one do? Bluetooth disconnected. Please connect your phone. Ah, okay. So we've got no Bluetooth connected. So we'll do that right now, shall we? We're going to Bluetooth connect that. And let's do that right now. See if that'll work straight away. So Bluetooth. Pair new device. Right. There it comes up. HS Smartwatch 476. That baby there. Pairing. That's done. So that's ready to go. Move that out of the way. So I don't need that. Like I said, we do need the software. And you will have to register the software. So let's get this back up again. To go that way. So we've got data, sports record, heart rate, blood pressure, ECG. BO, I think that's oxygen levels, isn't it? BO, I'm pretty sure. It's not on my wrist, so it won't measure it up. So come out of there for now. We will try it out. Music, alarm clock, stopwatch timer, messages, find phone, and settings. So we need the app. So we need the QR code. So go like that. Get your QR code app, this baby here. Scan it. Browse website. So you have Google Play or the App Store or WeChat APK Store. So we're going to go to Google because this is an Android phone. Install. Now you will have to register and put in your details like your weight, your height and all that for it to work properly. So I'm going to do that off screen right now. Right, mine's all set up and ready to go. So let's put her on. So put her on, it's still showing the wrong time, I believe. No, that's the right time. Hang on, let me check. Has it got the right date? No, that's still got the wrong time. So it's saying Saturday, it's actually Friday today, so I need to change that. So the way you link this up to this is you go into devices, add device, do a search, yeah, allow. And if it doesn't connect, which I don't think it will, all you have to do is turn your phone off. All you have to do is turn your watch off, turn it on again, and it will find it. Or will it go into that, what was that other mode? Find phone, that one. So it didn't find it, so find phone, find again. Like I said, if it doesn't work, there is other ways. Right, it's not finding it, so don't panic. It's quite easy to do. So turn your watch off, hold the button in. It says goodbye. Right, so now it's off. Turn it back on again. Wait for the vibration. And that will turn on the Bluetooth, so retry. Yeah, straight away, look at that, connect. Job done. Sync successful. There you go, so that's sorted. So we're going to do some quick little tests. Don't forget, you should not use this to be 100% accurate because they do not guarantee it will be 100% accurate. So put that on my wrist, and you can either go into the menus on here, on your phone, yeah, or you can do it straight from here. So we're going to do a heart rate first, and hopefully it should just change over. Hopefully. Right, it's got the right time and date on there now, so that's good. Right, start. Will that change over? So that is measuring right now. Right, it's come up there. Let's see if it's come up on here as well. So, where is it? Heart rate, 79, 80, and that's your average is around that. So, yeah, so that's giving you average, as you can see. So, yeah, that's quite accurate. What have we got next? Heart rate, blood pressure. Oops. Oh, no, a graph there, gives you a graph. That's pretty good, isn't it? With my blood pressure then. There you go. Heart rate, blood pressure, measuring. Oh, didn't measure it. Do it again. Oh, it's come up now, look. So 120s. Oh, it's vibrated as well. 119.74. I believe that's okay. So I have got a proper device for checking your blood pressure and stuff like that. And I do, like I said, I do believe that that is okay. So that is working fine. What we're doing next? BO is oxygen in your body. So oxygen, yeah. Start. So it says 96, which is about normal. If I was running about, it should go higher, but I'm not doing no running about. So 96, 98 will vary. Look, 99, so 98. So yeah, that looks pretty accurate to me. But like I said at the beginning, do not use this as a guaranteed measurement. You should always use a proper device for stuff like that. ECG. I will do an ECG, just for a laugh, ECG. So it's telling me I'm alive. So where's the ECG on here? There you go. Start. So it's proper graft. Oh, unknown error. Means I'm dead. Maybe. Maybe not sitting in the right place, I don't know. Start. Right, if you get an error, just restart it. Yeah, let's close all that stuff. We don't need that. Do it again. Measurement successful. Go to app for view. Oh, see? ECG. Start. syncing data. Well, it looks like it's working all right now. Yeah, it's even beeping. Well, it's quite loud. Right, that works fine. I don't know what it's supposed to read, but beats per minute is 59. So yeah, and that's finished. Confirm. And don't forget, it will save all your data. So if you need to look at it or even take it to a doctor, it might be very useful. Right, so what else can you do on this? Sleep, timer, music. Right, so it will play music for you. I haven't set anything up for music, so I'm not sure how that will work. So do I have to go to my downloads for my music? Let's have a quick look. Images, audio, there you go. Hangouts. Eternal Garden, try that one. That one. Right, will this stop it? What we want to know. Oh, it does. Yeah, it's a little bit of lag there, but it does work. Should just come on as well. Oh, put up the volume. Yes, it works really well. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Mute button, tap mute. No, it's just volume. Okay. Yeah. So that is it. Let me stop that. Sit on the watch. So that is it. Easy to use. Took me a little while to set her up for the first time, but hopefully if you need to set her up, you can watch my video and get a basic idea on how to set it up. Works really well. I might change how long the screen stays up for because I prefer it to stay up a little bit longer than what it does, but let me know in the comments what you think. I think it's quite nice. It works. It does everything it's supposed to do. I do like this strap. I prefer this strap to the other one. I think this is a far better strap for me personally. This one here, yeah, I didn't quite like this one, but it might suit someone else. It's magnetic, so you obviously connect it to the clips, same as this one, the pins. Yeah, and these are little sliders for you to take it out easily or put it in easily. And yeah, it works on a magnet, which I do believe, like that. See, that's how that works. But for me personally, I prefer the other one. This one, I prefer this. Nice looking watch. It's a nice size actually. It's not too big, it's not too small. Yeah, I was quite impressed with the size. And I'm assuming you can download other faces for it. I don't know, but it has quite a few functions. Any messages for me? No messages. Good. Yeah, I like it. I think it's well worth money. Let me know, like I said in the comments, what you think about it, whether you think it's good or bad. And don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever, and it does help my channel to keep on growing. And we need to keep on growing it. Like I say, if you like this sort of content, please subscribe. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So with that, thank you very much for watching.